to DIGITEACH MOOCs. In this module, you learn about project-based learning. What is project-based learning? How is project-based learning positioned in the frame of Bloom's taxonomy? What kind of digital tools can be used in project-based learning? How to evaluate the students and how to evaluate a lesson. Project-based learning is a pedagogical method aiming to stimulate the cognitive development of the students through engagement in projects that they are likely to face in the real world. Project-based learning is a natural way to engage the students in different cognitive functions and processes. Passing through the different stages in designing, starting, implementing, finalizing and evaluating a real-world project enables students to reach higher educational objectives. Digital technologies are very important in project-based learning. Students may use digital tools like brainstorming tools, collaboration tools, planning tools, and others. In the MOOC, you will find links to many of these. Evaluating the students' learning achievements may be challenging for the educator. Educators need to keep in mind that students not only acquire knowledge, but also develop skills in problem solving, communication, analytical and synthetic thinking. Similar are the challenges for evaluating the lesson. Thank you and enjoy DIGITEACH open educational resources. Design thinking methodology is a method which is mainly used for designing innovative products and services. Even so, design thinking was created as a methodology for the study of design cognition and can be very useful in project-based learning. Design thinking is a collaborative process that comprises 5 stages. Empathize, understanding people. Empathy allows students to step outside their own biases to figure out exactly what the problem needs and interests are. Define, figuring out the problem. This is the time for students to analyze and define the core problem. Ideate, generating your ideas. Students should now understand the needs of their environment and generate ideas. Prototype, creation and experimentation. During the prototyping phases, a few versions of the proposed solutions are described in detail and placed in different tests to assess their effectiveness. And finally, test, implement the project. When students need teacher support to develop their ideas using the findings and solutions that were discovered in the previous phase.